talk about the general specifications of Oppo F7 Youth. Operating system will be Android 8.1 Oreo, and it will be available in red, black, and gold. Secondly, let's talk about the display of Oppo F7 Youth. 6.28 inches Super AMOLED touchscreen display. Pixel density 402 pixels per inch, and some sensors are accelerometer, proximity sensor, and fingerprint sensor. Thirdly, let's talk about the processor and the RAM of Oppo F7 Youth. Processor is going to be 2 GHz octa-core MediaTek Helio P60, whereas the RAM will be 6 GB. And fourthly, let's talk about the camera of Oppo F7 Youth. Rear camera will be of 16 megapixel, and front camera will be of 25 megapixel, with front and back dual-tone LED flash. Fifth, we will talk about storage of Oppo F7 Youth. The internally available storage will be 64 GB, and is expandable up to 256 GB, with micro SD card. 6. At last we shall get you noticed about the battery. The battery is 3300 mAh non-removable with quick charging. Moving forward now, we shall discuss the price and release date of Oppo F7 Youth. The expected price is $370 United States dollars, that is 24,000 Indian rupees. And the release date shall be around April 2018. And finally, we shall talk about the overall score and alternatives for Oppo F7 Youth. Overall score from Smartphonepedia will be 7 out of 10. And the best alternative for Oppo